How to bring back the vertical status style in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quickest way to bring back the vertical status style on your WhatsApp. Let's just jump right in. Open up WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So what I'm talking about it, if you head over to the updates tab at the bottom, it will show you all of your current status like stories on Facebook or Instagram. Now, if you don't want this and want the vertical status like the channels are showing here, the easiest way is to unfollow all the channels that you're following. So head over to your channel, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on unfollow. Tap on unfollow again, and do this for all of the channels you followed. So just long press on it and then tap on the three dots, tap on unfollow. And once you have done that, as you can see, it automatically went back to the vertical style. So if I just tap on it, it will view me the status just like so. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.